अंजू रमन ने जो लास्ट में शॉट मारा था ना, उसका वीडियो ही नहीं था, बस बाकी पूरा मैच था। तो आई हाँ, फुल मैच वाज देयर। Then last 10 minutes was not
Third
there.
umpire.
It was not on YouTube nowhere. So I told him, I asked उसको भी directly, but
And
What a
that's
ball!
an
Can you
amazing
believe
wicket.
it?
What a ball!
Pallav takes the first wicket of the finals.
That's a huge hit to Pasikars. Ajit had been batting really well for them.
Absolutely, Parag. Actually, Ajit had given a flying start to Bazigar in all the innings. So what will it be? Chetan is now indicating who should come.
Same length, a deception in the change of the line, altering it to a lot. Low full toss, but
Oh,
that
that's
has been
it.
whacked.
And that's a
Oh,
brilliant
again.
shot for 4 runs.
Chetan is still not got the knock what he has in Lokhandwala. So I'm sure everybody, including Ratnin, is waiting for that innings from Chetan.
The bowler extremely disappointed.
Yeah, because if you see it, Parag, I don't know if you could notice it from that angle. It was a catch to Sagar if you would have moved a little on the right side.
Only if I would have been there.
The legends.
One ball is still left in the over.
He's been electrifying in the field since.
Reason to believe that Rajesh Ahuja is taking some special supplements. Because the
Maybe.
way he's fielding.
Maybe the Kashmir.
9-16.
9-16. So after the end of 9 minutes, it's only 2 overs. Another 6 more overs for Khiladis.
Also,
And
What is
that's
this?
an
That
amazing
Chetan
shot.
gets his first six.
For a 6. Wow,
Prashant,
Chetan.
Prashant would have just missed 5,000 rupees because if you would have taken it on one hand catch, it would have been 5,000 rupees. He just missed, but he was saving the save puri.
what a shot! What a shot by Chetan Ahire. Throwing it out of the park. What a six. ये
What was that?
That's a 4 runs.
बाउंड्री.
रोहित अभी मोमेंटम का क्या हो गया भाई?
ये ओवर के बाद रोहित अंकल के लिए काम डाउन गाना बजाया.
हाँ, मेरे को लग रहा है कुछ तो काम डाउन गाना रोहित के लिए बजाना पड़ेगा.
बेबी काम डाउन.
ओवर के बाद डीजे.
ओवर के बाद हो. ए भाई,
What a beautiful shot.
4 और 6
Chetan
इसके
in
भी.
his zone. Oh,
And that's a wicket. Aryan finally
Oh my
strikes.
God, Aryan gets a ban.
नहीं नहीं पूरा नहीं.
I think that's the whole
Aryan,
gimmick.
absolutely. Finally, he kept his calm, bowled the right line, and got the wicket of Chetan Ahire, who was looking.
ये फूटा हुआ.
This game would want to, kind of automate their windows.
Oh,
That's another shot.
oh.
I told Aman that for the finals we
That
require
is
more
4
balls.
runs.
That's a boundary.
That's a boundary.
Double duya.
Double duya. Match.
Superstars all around.
Yes. What is it? 2 runs.
2
Duya.
Declared. Duya. It's a
इतना
duya.
ऊपर जाके भी गगन छुमी shot.
More 14 minutes to finish it off.
DJ,
4
can you
overs.
play a song from YouTube? You can. Okay.
Out of the field immediately. 14 minutes more to go for the.
Another
Sagar
beautiful
bowls a low
shot.
football, low full toss.
And that is a boundary.
And Aniket hit the ball like a football.
Bazigas are only talking in boundaries.
Absolutely.
And
And आने वाला था.
उसको 10 साल है अभी मेरे भाई. मेरे से पहले तू पहुंचेगा.
Bazigar moving on to 57 for 2 after 5.1 overs. और ये देखिए.
That's a monster
Oh,
shot.
Monster shot बानी के. वो जूते के पर था वो.
बल्ले के नीचे गेंद आई और घुमा दिया निकेत ने.
But
चौका.
शायद थोड़ा वो साइड गया अगर ये
IPL में बॉल ही बॉल है इस साल.
stays there. He's the one who scored the highest number of sixes in this tournament. 13 sixes. The next best is 5 sixes, and that's again by Sagar. Or is it Sai Kharat? Who's the 40 runs and the last. Oh, Pranav didn't go for it. What is it?
And that's a wicket. The target for Khiladi after 8 overs is 85 runs, and that's some amazing batting from Aniket. He seems tired out
He's
there.
tired. I love his tattoo. I love his energy.
Last ball is still
अभी
remaining,
अभी
Matthew.
अभी अनिका का अभी अनिका का गाना बजाओ भाई. डीजे अभी अनिका का गाना बजाओ. एक song becomes popular and becomes viral. All the best. We have another model out here, Naman. Oh my God, look at his style and swag. Oh, we got it right. We see Anika going on action live in season 10 during the finals. We are wishing her all the best. I love the voice.
What a
the first
shot!
shot,
It's
what
in
is
the
it?
air. It's in the air, and
That's the end of Vatsal. That is what we are talking about. His wicket was the most critical wicket.
As I said, you were to be an anchor in this match, and you decided to be a hard hitter in the end, and a premeditated shot.
Vraj Patel doing it once again for Bazigar. What a ball! What a catch by Aniket Jaiswal. And this final is game on for Bazigar. Oh, what a shot!
Great use of the feet. He was seen yet
And
again.
also it was a power over or a
And it's in the air, and another
what a
good
catch
shot!
by Rakesh Rajesh Bhatt. What a catch. DJ ये गाना ये राजेश करने के लिए. अरे बजाओ भाई बजाओ.
What a catch!
क्या लपका है ये भाई कैच. बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच यहाँ राकेश भट्ट द्वारा.
The estimation required to move his feet backwards, the angle, and a great shot, straight loft of the bat, and that is gone for a boundary.
Yeah, DJ, can you lower the volume, please?
For all the matches.
Empire, what is it?
It's a boundary.
It's a boundary.
2.3 overs. Score is 21. The innings timer is 12 minutes are over.
Oh, I love to see Vinod. What a shot that is. Is it going to be a 6?
It's a 4. It's a double
four,
duya.
Double duya. Sagar has taken full advantage.
And
Yeah, I have a feeling if Sai and Sagar stick along for another 10-12 balls, it will go in favor of Khiladis. If
in the air, this could be the turning point of the match. Yes, it is taken by the
and look
captain
at who's
himself.
taken it. As I told you, it was this one wicket.
A deliberate short ball with the line, which is close to the chest.
But I
No,
think
no,
it
no,
was
no,
a
no
poor
song, no
selection
song,
of the
no
shot.
song. गाना नहीं, गाना नहीं, गाना नहीं.
What a great...
अभी रोहित को सेलिब्रेट करना है तो भी उसको गाना नहीं मिलेगा.
But
अनु अग्रवाल को भी सेलिब्रेट करना है तो गाना नहीं मिलेगा.
What a great selection of line and length.
What a line.
but a
what
poor
line.
selection of shot from Sai Karat.
Yeah,
agree.
Putting
absolutely.
his and that's in the air. And easily
Oh,
caught.
and they take it. That's a wicket.
Ambut Singh will lose his wicket and add on extra pressure on the Khiladis as they are 37 for 4 now.
Are we looking for a back-to-back final winner of Bazigar? They won last time as well. It will
Playing with a strike rate of 250.
all the 3 overs and just take singles in the last ball, they might come closer to the score. How many runs do they need?
48 runs required of 18 balls.
And that's exactly
Sagar will have to keep strike of
Sagar
this
will
over.
have to play like Virat Kohli played for India
and I'd like to
Absolutely.
tell you guys, funnily enough,
in MCG.
one Aryan destroyed the tempo. Oh, they decide to go for a single. Are they going to come for 2? Yes, they do. Appeal for a run out.
It's not out given by the umpire.
Six overs have gone by, 44 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Oh, a DRS.
Bazigar has taken a review.
So it's not a 2-run in the end. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, if it goes in favor of Bazigar, it will not be 2 runs. It is going more towards Bazigars now. And unfortunately, Rohit will not be able to dance.
I would say that it's 80%. If there was a win predictor over here, I'd say it's 75 to 80% leaning over Bazigars right now.
It's 98% Bazigar and 2% Khiladis.
Okay, I suggest you avoid the Khiladis dugout after the match is done.
It's a review, so we have to wait for some time for the umpires to give the final decision on this. We have our Atul video checking the run out.
In the meantime, Sumit, what do you think the Khiladis could do that?
Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk.
What do you think the Khiladis can do potentially? I know it's quite of an
Khiladis-
impossible task, but what
Khila-
can they do to make their team finish or go over the finish line?
They need sixes now. Nothing else can get the match in their hand now.
Straight old reply, just 6s.
No fours, no 2Ds, no duyas, no double duyas. They need triple duyas.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a marketing specialist over here.
We are still waiting on the third umpire. Tuk, tuk,
What have they given?
tuk, tuk, tuk,
The umpires are coming there.
tuk, tuk,
They have not told us.
tuk, 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 tuk.
Staying quite longer than
The on-field umpire's decision was not out. It's not out.
And that was the right call. Our umpires have been all ICC grade
Yeah,
umpires.
I mean, if you see the video also, it looks like a not out.
We have taken almost review in every match, and it's always been in the favor of the umpire. So we can see if we want to continue the review system next year.
Yeah, I mean, you see the stats.
Great
Still
shot.
not
Can
good to
that be
have.
a
I
six
think
this
that's the
time?
first 6.
No, it's still a 4.
Still a 4.
Double duya.
Sagar is still waiting.
And that is,
There's no point of this now. This double duya.
let's just appreciate their efforts. You know,
I think Shashank should give strike to Sagar at least.
swing and a miss again. And it's given out. Add insult to injury.
Aman, are you around? Aman? Aman Saraf. Aman, can we have you here?
And I would like to ask the Bazigars, like last year's last 2 deliveries, are you going to set 5 slips just to mock your opponents? It appears no 5 slips. They'll just respectfully take the throw.
And Bazigar have won this YPL season 10 with a great margin.
Fantastic game.
And, the very
And now
first time-
Bazigar win the finals of IPL season 10. The winners is Bazigars.
Bazigars.
And I don't think the audience is too keen on Bazigars winning. We don't see much noise.
It's because it's post 10 and we cannot make much noise.
Oh.
We're all set now for the finals prize distribution ceremony. May I request everybody to come closer to the stage.
And the very first time this is happening, that a team has won 2 consecutive YPL finals in a row. Season
Anu
9 and
Agarwal
season
was
10.
told not to wear an orange t-shirt by Rohit. Rohit went to 11 Babas.
And Wahad fought final for the Khiladis.
Can we have the Khiladis and the Bazigar to come here, please?
Agony for them. When you try your best and not succeed, you get what you want but not what you need. गाना नहीं
Bro.
Fantasy League, after we finish player of the match, Manan Bijlani requires some time.
DJ volume low. DJ volume low please. DJ volume low कर दीजिए एकदम.
Ready होगा तो बता तभी करेंगे.
Okay, can we have everybody here, please?
Bazigars and Khiladis and all the audience, please come near the stage for the prize distribution and the trophy ceremony.
Rohit, can I request the team to be here? Rajesh Ahuja, can I request? Rajesh, Shashank. Can we request both the teams to come here, please? Ratnin.